You've seen the charm, the wit, the effortless social energy. But what's really going on behind the eyes of a Gemini man? Most people see the fun-loving extrovert, but they miss the profound psychological design at work. What if his so-called distractions and restlessness were actually signs of advanced cognitive wiring? In the next few minutes, we're decoding the 5 psychological superpowers of the Gemini man. First, his love for fun isn't just immaturity. It's cognitive play. His brain is wired to learn and solve problems through games and humor. This isn't about avoiding adulthood. It's a sophisticated neural pathway that associates joy with mental stimulation. When he's playing, he's actually operating at his highest cognitive capacity. Second, he isn't just an intellectual. He's a polymath. His hunger for learning across unrelated fields isn't a lack of focus. It is a drive to build a unique, interconnected web of knowledge. While specialists dig deep in one hole, he builds bridges between 10 different islands. This makes him one of the most innovative and adaptable thinkers you'll ever meet. Third, what some call two-faced is actually adaptive intelligence. He doesn't have a weak identity. He possesses high cognitive empathy, allowing him to genuinely understand and mirror different social and emotional wavelengths. He's not being fake. He's communicating in your native language to create genuine connection. Fourth, his struggle with feelings isn't a flaw. It's a different processing system. He practices emotional alchemy, turning raw emotion into intellectual understanding. He will analyze why he feels sad, rather than just feeling it. This isn't coldness. It's his mind's way of transmuting overwhelming data into something manageable and wise. Finally, his need for freedom and escape is actually strategic pivoting. His mind is built for survival and growth. When a situation becomes a trap, whether it's boring, stagnant, or toxic, his cognitive flexibility allows him to disengage and reroute with breathtaking speed. He doesn't give up. He strategically abandons sinking ships. So the secret to the Gemini man isn't trying to tie him down. It's to engage him on the level of his mind, challenge his intellect, honor his adaptability, and appreciate the deep emotional intelligence that runs beneath the surface. His mind isn't a problem to be solved. It's a force of nature to be partnered with. Which of these psychological superpowers explains the Gemini man in your life? Tell me in the comments. If you want to go deeper, watch the next video on the Gemini man's silent language, what his withdrawal really means. Don't forget to subscribe for more psychological breakdowns.